In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Notion Knowledge Base AI assistant. We'll keep this simple and practical. You'll start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion Knowledge Base AI Assistant. This will surface the official Notion template we're going to use. Any modern browser works, and there's nothing to install. The goal here is just to find the ready-made template that jumpstarts your setup so you don't have to build everything from scratch. From the results, click the template titled Knowledge Base AI Assistant with N. That link takes you to Notion's template page, where you can preview how the workspace is structured and what sections are included. This page is helpful because it gives you a quick overview of how your knowledge base can look once it's in your own account. If you're already signed into Notion, great. If not, you may be prompted to sign in when you add it. On the template page, click Get Template. Notion will ask which workspace you want to add it to. Choose the workspace where you plan to manage your internal documentation. Notion then duplicates the template into your space, meaning you have your own private copy to edit. This is important for security and control. Everything you put in later, documents, notes, or internal resources, stays in your workspace, so you can safely set things up without exposing sensitive information. Once the template is added, open your Notion workspace and look for the page labeled Company Knowledge Base. Click that page to enter your new hub. This is the central place where you'll store information and where the AI assistant will later reference content. Begin customizing it with your own materials. Add pages for policies, FAQs, meeting notes, or team guides. You can group items into categories that make sense for your organization, and you can embed useful links like shared drives or project tools to keep everything connected. As you build, aim for clear naming conventions and concise summaries at the top of each page so content is easy to find and understand. Treat this like your single source of truth to cut down on repetitive questions and scattered files. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a Notion Knowledge Base AI assistant that organizes your information and saves time by keeping everything in one place. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials.